Hi there, and welcome back. In our last video, we took a look at the if function to determine whether a sports team won or lost a game based on their score for and against. This time, we're going to take that one step further and find out what happens if there is a tie, or come up with a new formula to determine if it's a tie. If we change, let's say, game 1 to a tie here, our formula is going to look at that and put a loss in there based on what we had in there. And if you take a look at our formula, that's exactly what should populate there based on what we typed in. However, that is not the actual case. With a score of 5-5, that's actually a tie. So what we want to do is just add an if statement within this if formula. So what we want to do is we can see if C3 is greater than D3, we want to put a W in there for a win. However, if it's not, we still have two other possibilities. It could be a tie or it could be a loss. So we're going to add another if statement, and if C3 equals D3, then what we want to do is put a T in there for tie, and then if that evaluates to false, then we want to put the L in there for loss, because that is our final possibility. And because we added an if statement in there, we're just going to have to add another close parentheses at the end. And now, based on this formula, that column should, or that cell should calculate to a T. And it does. So now I'm just going to replace all of these formulas here to the same, and I'll just test out a couple more here just to make sure it works okay. And it seems to. We can see all our values changing as we change our runs for and against, or goals for and against.